Action. Before I begin, I'd like to remind everyone that if you enjoy this video, please click on the thumbs up button or any of my other videos that you may also enjoy. And if you like most of my content on this channel, feel free to subscribe to my content. Anyways, on with the show. As described in the title of this video, this week we're going to be unboxing Yeti's Blue's Yeti microphone. Now, if you visit Blue's website, you'll see that they make the claim that the Yeti is the world's #1 USB microphone, and I'm pretty sure that's close to the truth because I've seen many YouTubers, podcasters all use this Yeti microphone in their productions. Now, before we begin, the Yeti comes in 3 different flavors. It comes in the Yeti Studio, and the Yeti Pro. Now, the Yeti Studio only comes in silver and comes with some software called PreSonus Studio One Nectar Elements or something along that line. The Yeti Pro only comes in black, has a recording sample rate of 24-bit 192 kilohertz, and has an additional stereo analog XLR output. What I have here is just the regular Yeti microphone. So what we're going to do is go ahead and unbox it and see what we got and see the features of this microphone. So forgive me for this camera angle. It was just easy for me to set it up in this way. The desk here is just a disaster and I just didn't feel like cleaning up today. So we're going to pop this open right here. Sealed box, no problem. Okay, here is the USB cable, micro USB cable, connected to your computer, power your microphone. There's also a manual here, tells you how to use your microphone, how to connect it, the different modes for the microphone's recording pattern. Okay, that's all in here. So very important to read for the type of recording that you're doing. And I'll go into the different modes as we proceed further. That's a tough one there. This has some weight to it. It's pretty heavy. Okay. And what else is there? Forgive me, I'm just going to take a step back. So this is it right here. It's quite big. It's, right? And we're going to go over the different controls on here. So let's start at the bottom here. So at the bottom, okay, you've got a threaded hole here for a stand. Okay, USB headphones. Okay, and it's an amplified headphone jack. Then we got volume control. Okay, and we have a mute button. So in case you maybe are interrupted, you can quickly hit the instant mute. Okay, you have gain control. Okay, you can adjust your gain. And then you got your pattern here. This is your recording modes. The first mode is stereo mode. So you're going to get stereo across the top, left and right. The next one is omnidirectional. So this is where you're going to capture audio from all around the microphone from all angles. Okay. Then you got cardioid. This here is where you would probably, if you're by yourself, it's got a limited recording angle, so it just captures you and nothing behind it, or sorry, nothing in front of it, or depends how you look at it, I guess. But it only captures the front of the mic for audio. And then finally, there's bidirectional. Okay, so now this captures, depending how you look at it, the front and the back of the microphone. So this is great for an interview, okay, where you're on one end and then you've got the person you're interviewing on the other end. So that's it right here. I mean, I don't know what else to what else to show you. It's got a stand. Now you can remove this stand. It does come off, okay, and it is adjustable. But from what I read, the optimal position when using this microphone is straight up and down. Don't tilt it towards you. Doesn't work like that. It works like this. The elements are here, not up here for recording. And I guess that's it. Describe the mic. I've described the difference between the different flavors of microphones. We went over the controls here. So the next thing is perhaps a quick review after I've get to use this microphone for my recording or my Let's Play videos, and we'll see how much better my audio sounds like. That's pretty much it for now. That's all I have. It is a quick unboxing. They shouldn't be too long because I'm just taking the device hardware out of the box and showing you what it looks like and what options you got on there. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're looking forward to my review on this Yeti microphone, feel free to subscribe so you won't miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and ciao for now.